Now the option here, if you're in the half bind, is to stay in the half bind, and your left hand can grab your outer right shin and you can just twist here. Or if you want to move towards full bird of paradise, gaze to the floor and slowly begin to heel toe your feet in towards one another. Right toes point forward. Lift your left heel, just pause on your left tippy toe so you can let your right foot get weighted and your core engage. Then press down and slowly begin to rise up. Press straight down through your right big toe. When you get to the top, lift your armpits up, squeeze your shoulder blades together, then lengthen from your big toe through the crown of your head, and then maybe stretch your left leg straight. Drop your outer left hip down. Take a few deep breaths. And slowly, slowly, bring your foot all the way back down. Come back into the wide-legged forward fold, fingertips to the floor.